Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change NAT type on PS5, quick tip step by step clearly. To change the NAT type on your PS5, start by navigating to the main menu. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and choose Network. Next, select Network Status. Look for View Connection Status and click on it. Take note of your current NAT type. Now, go back to the Network menu. Select Set up Internet Connection. Choose either Wi-Fi or LAN cable, depending on your connection type. If you selected Wi-Fi, choose your network and enter the password. If using a LAN cable, ensure it is connected. After selecting your connection method, choose Advanced Settings. Scroll down and select DNS Settings. Switch the DNS settings from automatic to manual. Return to the Network menu. Select Test Internet Connection to confirm your changes. Once tested, check the NAT type again. If it displays NAT Type 1 or NAT Type 2, you've successfully changed it. If the NAT type remains Type 3, consider enabling UPnP on your router or setting up port forwarding. Refer to your router's manual for specific instructions on these steps. After making changes, reboot your router. Lastly, perform another test on your PS5 to confirm the NAT type. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.